Hello dear student, see in this lecture we are going to see sulfonation of monosubstituted benzene. Sulfonation of monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene means benzene is having one substituent. So which are the monosubstituted benzene? Suppose if we are having toluene. Okay, see in last lecture we have seen substitution of benzene, that is sulfonation of benzene. This is what we have seen, sulfonation of benzene by using various reagent. Now we are going to see what sulfonation of monosubstituted benzene like toluene here. So toluene is on reaction with either concentrated sulfuric acid or fuming sulfuric acid. Suppose if we have used concentrated sulfuric acid, then we have to heat toluene around 50-60 degrees Celsius, and if we have used fuming sulfuric acid, then we can carry out reaction at room temperature also, that is at RT. So what we will get, see in toluene methyl group is ortho-para directing, hence we will get a mixture of ortho-toluene sulfonic acid and para-toluene sulfonic acid. Okay, as methyl group is what? Ortho-para directing. So this what we will get, a mixture of ortho-toluene sulfonic acid and mixture of para-toluene sulfonic acid, that is mixture of ortho plus para-toluene sulfonic acid. Okay, so this will be a major product and this will be a minor product. Now similarly, suppose if we have reacted phenol with concentrated sulfuric acid, okay, so what we will get, again here we will get a mixture of ortho-para phenol, okay, that is ortho-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid or para-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. So this mixture we will get, as hydroxyl group is also ortho-para directing, toluene is also ortho-para directing, isn't it? Now similarly, suppose if we have carried out sulfonation of a substituent, okay, that is electron withdrawing, if electron withdrawing substituent present on benzene ring, okay, if we have carried out sulfonation of that type of monosubstituted benzene, then we will get what? Meta product. Okay, for example, see nitrobenzene. Suppose nitrobenzene is reacted with fuming sulfuric acid or a oleum at some temperature, then we will get only one product, and that is meta substitution product. Okay, meta substitution product. Now suppose if we have reacted benzene sulfonic acid with oleum or fuming sulfuric acid, so what we will get? We will get here meta substitution product. Okay, because see this sulfonic acid group or nitro group are meta directing. Okay, this sulfonic acid group or nitro group, they are meta directing. Which group are meta directing? We may have in addition to that cyano, it is also meta directing. Carboxylic acid, COH group is also meta directing. CHO is also meta directing, isn't it? Suppose if this type of substituent are present on benzene ring and we are carrying out sulfonation reaction of that electron withdrawing monosubstituted benzene ring, then we will get what? Meta substitution product. Meta substitution product always. Okay. And if electron donating group like OH, CH3, NH2, if they are present on aromatic ring, isn't it? Then we will get what? Ortho-para substitution, mixture of ortho-para substitution product. Okay. So this is what? Sulfonation of monosubstituted benzene. Okay. You may note down this substitution of monosubstituted benzene. Okay. Now we will see sulfonation of naphthalene. Okay. Sulfonation of naphthalene. Okay, see, you know naphthalene. Naphthalene is also a aromatic compound, okay, in which two benzene ring are fused. Okay, so we will get what? Naphthalene. So sulfonation of naphthalene. Now we will see what? Sulfonation of naphthalene. Sulfonation of naphthalene. You know naphthalene. This is what? A naphthalene. Okay, and if we are carrying out sulfonation of this naphthalene with concentrated sulfuric acid, okay, with what? Concentrated sulfuric acid at two different temperature. One is 80 degrees Celsius and second one is what? 160 degrees Celsius. So I will say it has low temperature and I will say it has high temperature. Okay, see here, this reaction sulfonation of naphthalene is completely temperature dependent reaction. Sulfonation of naphthalene is what? Completely temperature dependent reaction. So we will get two different product. Okay, two different product. In first case, that is sulfonation of naphthalene at 80 degrees Celsius, we will get alpha naphthalene or 1-naphthalene, isn't it? Alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. Alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. And at high temperature, that is at 160 degrees Celsius, we will get beta naphthalene sulfonic acid. Beta naphthalene sulfonic acid. Okay, see, it is this, that means sulfonation of naphthalene is completely temperature dependent reaction. Okay, at what temperature we are carrying out sulfonation of naphthalene, on that temperature product formation will depends. Okay, in addition to that, I will show here. See, the product formation, it completely depends upon the temperature. Okay, see, this product alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid is also called kinetic control product. Kinetic control product. And beta naphthalene sulfonic acid is also called thermodynamic controlled product, okay, or thermodynamic product, that is kinetic product, like that. Okay, see why at low temperature this alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid is formed. This is the question. And why at high temperature beta naphthalene sulfonic acid is formed. This is the question. Okay, so we have to answer this question. Okay, see at low temperature, when we are carrying out sulfonation of naphthalene, we are getting alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. But why? Why is it so? Okay, let us see. At low temperature, sulfonation is taking place at position number 1. Okay, sulfonation is taking place at position number 1 because the resulting carbocation, is more stable. The resulting carbocation is more stable. Okay, which is the resulting carbocation? See, for product 1, okay, for product 1 I will say, and this is product 2. See, for product 1, which carbocation we will get? Okay, when this sulfonation take place, we will have positive charge at this carbon. Okay, and aromaticity of this ring A will retain as it is. Aromaticity of ring A will retain as it is. And when we will carry out sulfonation, when there is sulfonation at position number 2, okay, see here, this what we will get, this carbocation intermediate we will get, isn't it? Now see, in next resonating structure, aromaticity of ring A will get disturbed in this case. Okay, so what we will get? We will get such type of resonating structure. Okay, so aromaticity of ring A is getting disturbed here. Okay, that means this carbocation is not stable. Okay, carbocation is not stable. Cation is not stable. See here, now there will be a what? Next resonating structure like this. Next resonating structure like this. So here the carbocation is more stable. Carbocation is more stable. Hence, at low temperature, we are getting sulfonation at position number 1. Okay, no doubt, see, no doubt this carbocation will also rearrange to disturb aromaticity of ring A, because in next resonating structure we will write like this. Okay, so aromaticity of ring A will disturb here also, but here in attack at position number 1 we will get maximum resonating structure. In that maximum resonating structure will have retention of aromatic character of ring A. Okay, and here we will get less number of resonating structure, and in that most of the resonating structure will have loss of aromatic character of ring A. Hence carbocation is less stable here, and here carbocation is more stable. Hence attack is taking place at position number 1 at low temperature. Okay, now what is happening at high temperature? Okay, what is happening at high temperature? See, at high temperature there will be a what? Okay, when we will heat these, okay, at high temperature there will be a what? Desulfonation of this sulfonic acid. Okay, desulfonation of what? Alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. Okay, at high temperature there will be what? Desulfonation of alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. Why alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid will undergo desulfonation at high temperature? Okay, at high temperature there will be what? Desulfonation of alpha naphthalene sulfonic acid. But why? Okay, see here. This what the product will form at lower temperature. Okay, now see, this product is having the hydrogen at position number 8. Okay, this is position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now see, there will be a what? Steric hindrance of this hydrogen at position number 8. Okay, with steric hindrance of this bulky sulfonic acid group. No doubt this hydrogen substituent is very small, but sulfonic acid substituent is bigger. So there will be a what? Steric interaction between this sulfonic acid group and this hydrogen, which is at position number 8. So because of that steric interaction, this sulfonic acid group will try to desulfonate. Will try to what? Desulfonate, and we will get what? Again there will be what? Reversible reaction, and it will form, this will form, okay, naphthalene will form. Now as soon as when we will heat the reaction mixture, then this naphthalene, it will get converted into what? Naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid. Okay, it will get converted into what? Naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid, because at high temperature naphthalene 1 sulfonic acid is not stable, it will undergo desulfonation. As soon as this naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid is formed at high temperature, it resists, okay, it resists desulfonation because it is quite stable. Okay, because naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid is quite stable, there is no any steric interaction. Okay, hence it will resist. See here, this hydrogen is quite away from this, and this hydrogen is also quite away from this sulfonic acid group. So it will resist desulfonation, and as it is resisting desulfonation, hence it will remain as naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid as it is. Okay, no doubt this product is formed at lower rate. Okay, this naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid is formed at what? Lower rate. That is, you can say the reaction is slow. Formation of 2 naphthalene sulfonic acid is slower, while formation of 1 naphthalene sulfonic acid is faster. Hence it is what? Kinetic control, and it is slower and it is more stable. It is what? More stable. Hence we are saying it is what? Thermodynamically controlled, and it is what? Less stable. Okay, it undergoes desulfonation while it resists desulfonation. So this is what? Sulfonation of naphthalene at low temperature and at high temperature. Okay, once again I am repeating it. See, at low temperature we are getting naphthalene 1 sulfonic acid, isn't it? Why? Because the resulting carbocation for position number 1 and for position number 2, okay, we are having this resulting carbocation. See, for attack at position number 1, the resulting carbocation is more stable. We can write maximum number of resonating structure in which aromaticity of this ring A is what? Retain. Aromaticity of ring A is what? Retain. Here we can write less number of resonating structure in which aromaticity of ring A is retain. Okay, hence this carbocation is more stable as compared to this carbocation. Hence we are getting what? At lower temperature, naphthalene 1 sulfonic acid. Okay, and this reaction is what? Very faster. This reaction is very faster. At lower temperature we will get completely naphthalene 1 sulfonic acid. There will be what? More concentration of naphthalene 1 sulfonic acid. As soon as we will heat the reaction mixture, Okay, this naphthalene 1 sulfonic acid is having steric interaction with this hydrogen at 8 position. Okay, hence it will undergo what? Desulfonation. Okay, so your equilibrium will come to this side. That means naphthalene 1 sulfonic acid will get converted into what? Naphthalene. Okay, when we will heat this naphthalene, as the temperature of reaction will rise, okay, then there will be a what? At lower rate there will be a what? Formation of naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid. Now see, this naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid is quite stable. There is no any steric interaction. Okay, no doubt it is formed at lower rate or a slower rate, okay, at slow speed, but the product is formed, it will resist desulfonation and it will have more concentration of naphthalene 2 sulfonic acid now. Okay, so it is more stable, hence it is thermodynamically controlled. It is faster, that is, it is formed faster rate, it is formed at faster rate at low temperature. Okay, hence it is what? Kinetic control. This is what naphthalene, sulfonation of naphthalene. Okay, we'll stop here. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.